Welcome to another episode of Dr. Horta. Many of you have asked when are we going to do another show. Well, we've decided this year, now that the weather is appropriate, nice and cold, to look for wild Greek greens. Today we're going to be looking for three types. This is the prickly bressa, as we call it. This is the joho, as we call it. And this is the wild joho, which is a bit prickly. As you can see, this spot is plentiful. It's amazing that we're able to get so many at this time of year in one particular spot. Last week I was able to make pie with a joho. In other words, as you make pita, you throw them in, you put a bit of cheese, and they came out fantastic. So there is diversity in this, but above all, you're eating something that's wild and clean. This is the result of 10 minutes of collecting, but once we clean them, it should be about half the size of the basket. But we're very fortunate. This is truly a great area. The cold has come and the soil has been dug up, which allows for these seeds, the seeds of these plants to surface. So hopefully we'll be here for the rest of winter. Here's a classic, good-looking bressa, nice and clean from the inside. We turn it over. You notice that the base is white, which means it's pretty fresh. It hasn't got much of a ring around it, so it's just a new one. We remove anything that's loose. We bend it. We cut the top leaves that are overgrown. We slit the base. That would allow the plant to cook much easily once it's blanched. There's plenty for you to edit there.